Hi, welcome back on the Yourself channel. They're gonna show you how to repair this model S5830 Samsung. There's a problem with the charging port, so we're gonna be look at it and just try to repair without the changing the USB port. We're gonna try to repair. Okay, so let's try to unscrew all the screw from the back. God damn it. Okay. Now lift up the back cover here. We can lift up without the plastic tool. Okay, now we have here the USB-C port. And so we need to have a soldering iron here. Okay, we're gonna start and try to clean these little things here with alcohol, like this. Let's wait here for making good progress to clean it up in the inside this port. We need to lift up these little things up. Okay, use the air. Okay, and now with the soldering iron we need to iron this USB. If there is something bad, we're gonna repair that. Okay, so as you see, now we can try. Is it gonna be repaired? Let's pick up the battery in and take the cable in. Like this. Okay, and as you see, 0.4, so we're gonna be charging here, and if I move it, okay, it's still charging. So That's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!